Hi, my name is Martin Evans from the Malthouse Consultancy. We're going to look at a project here which is a very low energy country house to an unusual design, and if you're setting out on a project similar to this, one of the things I think is really important is that you identify early in the process someone who takes full responsibility for helping you develop the concepts that you're going to put into practice in the house, but also to follow it throughout the construction and delivery process so that you truly end up with a house that you're hoping to build. The envelope is the starting point. Walls, floors and ceilings are easy to insulate when you're building, but very difficult to improve later. So first place to put your time and effort and money is into insulating the envelope. Probably the next thing would be to consider mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, which again allows you to allows you to use better windows which don't have trickle vents within the windows. So that allows you to get a much better sealed envelope, and then the fresh air is still brought into the house, but it uses the outgoing stale air to preheat the incoming air, so you get fresh air but with very low energy requirements. Having resolved the envelope issues, the next thing is to look at the energy used within the house. Here we're looking at lighting. LEDs are an exceptionally good way of saving energy. These are halogen lights, but on a dimming system. So when I dim these lights down, they save energy. So on 50%, they'll only use 50% of the energy. That's a really important issue to make sure when you're selecting the equipment and making sure your dimmers truly save energy. Over my shoulder you can see the house, and having looked at everything we can on the envelope and the lowest possible energy within the house, the only other option left open to us is to see if we can generate some energy. On this project we've used some photovoltaic panels, but not on the main roof, because one of the issues for me about photovoltaics is you have to drill holes through the roof to fix the panels too, which I didn't want to do in this case. So we've used an outbuilding, which you can see here, and the 3.9 kilowatt peak system that is on this outbuilding provides electricity to the house. Interestingly, it's a winter's day, fairly overcast, and we're currently producing about 10% of the capacity of these panels. So even in winter they can contribute something towards the electricity demand of the house.